welcome to John Elaiyr. I'm back with part 4. So, never mind. So, this is subtraction and this is addition. See this minus and this equals. And also see this plus and equals. They're almost the same, but this is take away and this is add. So, let's move on to the first thing. We're gonna do something. Oh, I know. 1 plus 5. Where's 5? Oh, I found it. Oh, yes. One fish and one. Okay, one. I need to count still. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 5. Ooh. Come on. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oops. Not number 1, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I know the answer is 6. But it's only for the quiz. Not for real, okay? This is 6 and that's 9. Yes. And now that's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap hands. Okay. Oops. Oopsie. My chair. Ah! Okay. Time for minus. I know something. 20. I know something easier. 20. Take away 2. I promise I know the answer. Get out. Oh, it's 18, I know. Oh no! It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But there's 10!
Okay.
Bruh, what have I done? Never mind, I should just retreat. Oh.
Smaller number na lang.
Gosh. 10. What's that? What's 2? Oh, found it. Easy peasy. Okay. Mama, how do you make it?
10. You put 10.
Then you just put 2?
I just removed 2. Sige. 10. Then you put the other 2 there. You take away man. Not addition man. Sige.
I need to put on all of them first.
Count.
1, 2. Okay. Bruh, this is the wrong way. It's supposed to be like this.
To you.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, what? Where is it? 8, 9, 10.
So 10, you take away.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I knew it! Like and subscribe to the next video. Bye! See you next video.